Sanibona Ndumela namshini. Hi, welcome to Miss Tea. Elisheza Bhenga afuna ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa ufuna ukuthi uliphuze uhleli phansi ngoba waliphuza ujahile uzosha. Let's get into today's video. So uDennis Zimba uyile wahamba waya eGermany to visit her kids, the one that she has with the white man. Obviously, that's her only kids, And unfortunately, she was given strict instruction with Yazin, you are not going to be allowed to come inside. I'm like, huh? And sadly, it was her daughter's birthday party. Imagine. But unfortunately, the man was like, I'm not going to allow you into the house because if I'm not sure, but allegedly there was a story whereby the man alleged that Dennis has stolen the kids, was kidnapped the kids, the wives, So maybe that's why he felt to, I'm not going to allow her inside the house. Maybe she might take the kid to South Africa, Asazi, but kanjani? She was alone. How can she be able to take the kids? Dennis Zimba. And unfortunately, because she came all the way, she had to open the gifts in the parking lot. Imagine. Mama ingane zakho, the person that you were busy doing the shlai with, now you are treating her like a dog. Because that's very inhumane. Okay, even if you are not in good terms, but at the end of the day, why couldn't he sacrifice just one day for their daughter's sake? With at least Mama Kabe corner. Maybe it would mean a lot to Dennis Zimba. And unfortunately, she had to open them outside because she was told, if you wanna give them the present, you have to do it outside, not inside my house. Imagine traveling all this way just to see your children outside, not be part of their party, not have a moment where you can share with them private. Just to spend a little bit more time with them. Like, that was unfortunate for Dennis Zimba because it did not happen. And the sad thing is that this man is treating Dennis Zimba like that, as if Dennis Zimba is the one that is responsible for their split up, whereas he was the one who allegedly cheated on Dennis Zimba. And Dennis Zimba was like, no, you cheat, I'm gone. And now that Dennis Zimba decided to leave, now she's getting punished. Amadoda azosibulala. And the sad thing is, like, people will be like, no, black men are this, white men are better. But one thing about white men, what they've done to our South African celebrities, is very questionable. Not all white men are bad, but the white men that have dealt with our celebrities, I don't know if it had to do with the men, but obviously it happened after the split up. Abo Pabi Muloyi, hey, angisafuni nokukhuluma, yazi kuningi yabo nje, yabo labelungu abayaskila, baskila iy'manga.